Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a haul on the 3 products that I got on supergoop.com. So the first product that I have here is the skin tint. It's the protectant and it has an SPF of 50. I believe it has zinc oxide and 2 other ingredients that serve as the sunscreen. And this is my first time trying the product. It is on the liquidy side, but it doesn't drip down the skin, and it is blendable and buildable. I tried this on today and it covered the redness around my nose and some acne scars, so I was very impressed by it because it is in the end just a tint, but it has beautiful coverage and the sheen is also nice as well, so it will give you a natural glow. The second product that I got was the hand screen. It has an SPF of 40 and works very well. I have used this before and decided to repurchase because it leaves no white cast, it has a glowing effect, and it's small enough to fit in my bag and I can carry it wherever I want. So last but not least, I got the resetting powder, and this one works very well. I actually purchased the refillable bottle, so as you can see, you just unscrew the one that you already have and then pop this one in and it's as good as new. It works very well, it leaves no white cast, it has SPF, and it sets your makeup very well throughout the day, and it's also small enough to fit in your bag. The only thing I'd say is that because it is a loose powder, it can get a little bit messy, but that's if you put on too much. But if you're very modest with it and you use it little by little, not too much loose powder should get in the way. And that is all for my Supergoop haul. Thank you for watching.